Add up everything that exists. Every star, every atom, every force, every thought. Physics suggests the total may be exactly zero. The universe might be the most spectacular nothing there has ever been. Start with something simple, a number line. Every number has a mirror twin, +1 - 1, plus a million minus a million. Add each pair and they vanish. Add every number that could ever exist and one thing remains. Zero, not a gap, an axis. The still point the whole system turns around. Sound works the same way. Every sound wave has an exact inverse. Play them together and they cancel into silence. You carry this magic in your pocket. It is how noise-canceling headphones work. A chip hears the world, plays its mirror image, and the roar of the airplane vanishes. Now imagine every sound in the universe played at once, each with its perfect twin. Silence. Forces obey it too. Every push has an equal and opposite pull. Apply them all at once and nothing moves. Equilibrium. Heat flows from hot to cold until every difference dissolves. Balance. Wherever you look, nature keeps its books, and the bottom line is always zero. Even light plays the game. Mix every color of light and you get white. Mix every pigment and you get black. Two faces of the same zero. But here is the strange part. Color is not out there. It is a translation, painted inside your brain from a sliver of light so thin it barely exists. Visible light is one narrow band in a vast invisible spectrum. The same is true of every sense. Your senses are keyholes. Reality is the cathedral behind the door. If everything you have ever experienced is a translation, how much of it can you trust? What is actually out there? You can doubt all of it. The world, your body, even mathematics. One philosopher tried. Descartes doubted everything. He stripped away every certainty until nothing remained. And in that total emptiness, he found the one thing that cannot be doubted, the awareness doing the doubting. I think, therefore I am. Now notice the symmetry. Strip everything from the world and zero remains. Strip everything from experience and awareness remains. Two survivors of every subtraction, nothingness and consciousness. But this nothingness is not a void. It is the sum of everything, complementary pairs held in perfect balance. A fertile nothing that contains all things, and that changes what creation means. If everything adds up to zero, you cannot make something by adding. You can only make it by dividing. To create +1 is to create -1. To create an observer is to create an entire observed world. Self and universe born together, two halves of one whole. Physics has watched this happen. When light carries enough energy, it splits into matter and antimatter. Particles are never created alone. They are born in pairs. And in the early universe, when those pairs annihilated, roughly one particle in a billion survived. Every galaxy, every star, every atom in your body is that leftover. You are the residue of an almost perfect cancellation. The part of zero that stayed, to look around. So we arrive at a triad. Nothingness, the blank canvas. Consciousness, the act of telling something from nothing, and everything. The world that appears when the two meet. People have given this many names. Some call it nature or reality. Others call it Allah, Jesus, it. Every name points at the same quiet fact. Something is aware right here, right now. So sit with the only question left. Who is looking through your eyes right now?